Guys, Kyle, Vehicle Identification Specialist. I just wanted to run this obvious theft recovery challenge here. I wanted to break the VIN down for you just to kind of show you how what's contained in a 17-digit VIN. On this particular car, we start out with the number 2, which tells us it's built in Canada, and then C3 is Dodge's 2-digit code, and then the next C would indicate the passenger restraint system. And then where it tells you what it really is the DZF, which is a Dodge Challenger RT Scat Pack, left-hand drive, rear-wheel drive. Then the engine code J, 6.4 liter V8 gas engine. Ninth character is a check digit X. N is 2022 model year. H is telling us that it was built at the Brampton, Ontario, Canada assembly plant. And then the last 6 is the sequential production number. So there you go. This one's headed off to the boneyard, but just wanted to break that VIN down for y'all.